Hi everyone, this is Nutan Jandu SP from Kalpataru Institute of Technology, Chittoor, currently pursuing 4th year 7th SEM in Computer Science and Engineering. Firstly, I thank you for Ematics giving for this opportunity in doing a embedded system internship. At last we done with an project called microwave oven simulation by our teammates Sujan, Gokul, Shivshankar, and me. Firstly, I introduce what are the contents we used for this project. Uh, mm, that are programming fundamentals, embedded system introduction to microwave oven, block diagram, working software material used, embedded program, microcontroller versus microprocessor, MKP, SR, interrupt service routine, interrupts, timers, application, advantage and disadvantage, and conclusion. First, I go for C programming and fundamentals. That's hard data types. We use the data types like char, int, float, double, and then we use operators like arithmetic operators and bitwise operators and logical operators, and we use conditional constructors if else and switch cases, and we use loops like for while do while loops, and then arrays string functions, then pointers pass by ref and pass by value functions and recursion, and memory segments text data stack and heap structures like introduction to C++ and oops. And then I introduced about embedded system. The embedded system is a combination of hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task can be called an embedded system. Then embedded system is divided into three parts like software, firmware, and hardware. And embedded person unlike computers, embedded system perform few specific limited tasks. Then I go with standalone embedded system. The standalone embedded system is a independent system which can work by themselves. They don't depend on a host system. Takes input in digital or analog from and provide the output. Example MP3 players, microwave ovens, and calculators. Mobile embedded system, portable or movable. Example smartwatches. Network embedded system connected to a network which may be wired or wireless to provide output to the attached device. They communicate with embedded server through network. Example ATM machines, home security systems. Embedded system. Then Shiv Shankar will continue with this.
Hello everyone, myself Shivshankar. Then I'll continue the next continue part of the internship project. Embedded system. The classification of classifying hardware and software is go to embedded system. Then microcontroller versus microprocessor. There are difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller. All the components will be in a single chip, less flexible and less design complexity. Then the microprocessor. All components are assembled separately, more flexible and more design complexity. In the difference between the microcontroller and microprocessor. Then I'll move to the introduction to the microwave oven. A microwave oven is a kitchen appliance and electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing an electromagnetic radiation to microwave frequency range. The microwave oven we use in our daily life to cook food in our kitchen. Then next point is it is embedded system interface with the external environment by means of several sensors and actuators. Then the block diagram of an micro oven. This is a block diagram of an micro oven. This is a power module. Then we use a heater, steam, fan, drivers, control units, inverter, and magneton. Next, key, sensor, LED lights. Then the working system of an micro oven. The microwave oven uses a magnetron to generate microwave energy. The microwave energy travels through a waveguide and is distributed into a metal cavity where the food is cooked. The waves are absorbed by the food and excite water molecules in the food. This heat then transfers throughout the food, cooking it. This is the diagram of an microwave oven. This is the waveguide. Then we have magnetron and the fan. Then here is the power supply. Then is a base plate. Then uh, these are the software material we used. MPLab X IDE V6 version 6.15. Then picsimlab PACG in use PIC 160 F877A. This is the software material we used in. Then pixlab. This is the we use it to in the microwave oven to cook the food. Then the software material we used PIC 167877A. Then 6 into 4 CLCD, tactile switch, MKP, and timer 2. Then the next part of will continue by my friend Sujan. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivshankar. Next part of the presentation will be continued by me. Myself, Sujan. Currently, I am pursuing BE Engineering 7 at Kalpataru Institute of Technology. Architecture of picsimlab. PIC16F877A is connected to the components of picsimlab. Here are the register, lights, buzzers, digital keypads, SSDs, matrix keyboard, and many more other components are connected to this. Next, MKP. MKP means matrix key pad. This is used when more number of users inputs are required and still want to save some controller over a lines. These keypads are most commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital clockers, and etc. SR interpret service routines. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in responses to the interpreter. ISR attends to the request of interpreting sources by clearing the interpret flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction read type. When an interpret occurs, MPU completes the instruction being executed. Then it disables the global interpret and enables the interpret. Please and places the address from the program counter on the stack. Interrupts. An interrupt is a common communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests the MPU or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU or MCU acknowledges the request and attend to the request. Goes back to the process when it was get interrupted. Timer. Timer is an important application in any embedded system which is default peripheral which is maintain the timing of an operation inside with the system clock or an external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and the general delay etc. Timer or a counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. Resolution, which is also called as a register width, it is 8 or 16 bit, etc. Die is referred as the change from one number to another number. It may be up counter or a down counter. Quantum, which depends on the system clock setting and is a measure of time which is responsible for the tick. And scaling may be pre-scalar or a post-scalar. In the embedded programming, we have used the four header files, mainly main.c, main.h, modulus.c, modulus.h. The application of a microwave oven is reheating and cooking disinfection kitchen items, making the citric fruit juicer, heating the beauty products, roasting garlic, decrystallizing the honey. Advantages and disadvantages. Firstly, we discuss about the advantages of the microwave oven. First, fast volumetric heating, higher dry rate, short dry time, enhance quality of the product, reduce the energy consumption, lower the operating cost. These are the advantages of the microwave oven. So, there is also a limitation of the microwave oven, and we can see here the limitations of microwave oven. High initial cost for industrial dryers, partial loss of aroma and negative sensory changes, product structure may be affected, specific sample size and shape may be required for effective drying. These are the some limitation of microwave oven. Finally, I conclude that microwave oven heat food using microwaves, a form of electromagnetic radiation similar to the radio waves. Microwaves have three characteristics that allows them to be used in cooking. They are reflected by the metal, they pass through glass, paper, plastic and similar materials. They are absorbed by the foods. Microwave oven will update along with the advancement of technology and future uses. And thank you everyone. Next, the implementation and operation and working will be discussed by my friend Gokul. And next, I will hand over the mic to him. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Hi everyone, myself Gokul Kher. I am currently pursuing as a 7th sem engineering student in KIT Tiptur. Here I am continuing the next part of the project. Let's discuss about our code. It is my code. We are developed. It has clcd.h, main.h, matrix keypad.h, new x8 header.h, timer.h. Let's go through on main.c. Here it is a main function. Here we declare the all the functions. It has been called here. It is the operation call. In this case we are declared many of cases like cooking mode display, smart start mode, time display, micro mode, grill mode, convection mode. Then it has some heating issues like power on screen, cooking mode display. It is used to show the display turning on, clear display. Then we are moving to the set timer, used to set the timer for the our oven. Like when we put the food in the oven, it can be we wanted to set the timer for that for function we use the set timer function. Next to use door status check, time display used to display the time, set temperature function used to set the temperature. In this program we used 250 degrees Celsius as a maximum. Then we are moving to the running of the program. When we run the program, it executes the .hexa file. That .exe file we implement on the simulator that helps to run our simulation in the simulator. It is the simulator we are using. PCA Jenson is pre-inbuilt on it. It has a P1C16F877A. Let's import the file now. It used megahertz and heater and cooler. LCD display was displayed the output. Before that, I want to say about that simulation. This is the advantage of a technology because we want to simulate this using an hardware. By the technology growth, we have make this as available on anywhere, anytime without the hardware. Let's continue on the program. First, I want to load the exe file. This is my exe file. I will show the direction. It is in the dist Microsoft Oven. Within the dist, yeah, here is my production file. Here is this. I imported it. On importing, it show that power on microwave oven. Okay. Four menus: micron, grill, convection, start. When press the button one, the micron will be turned on. Okay. It has the power of 900 watts. Every oven that present in the home or anywhere in the usage that consumes a 9 hour power watts. According that we set it as a 9 hour watts. Okay, let's start the micron first. In the we are seeing in the display it used to saying about set the time for. Okay, I have set 10 seconds for this. Okay, timering is loading. Yes, let's set 10 seconds for. Okay, 1. I clicked on the button 1 and 0. 1 is printed. Okay, 0 will be printed. According to the LCD display, when pressed on star, that has been clear the screen. Okay, it was clearing. Next, I want to set as time 10 seconds. Wait, yeah, 10 seconds setted. I press hash. The cooler will be started loading. Time will be becoming decreasing. If we want, we can pause and resume this process by clicking the 4 or 5 button. I pressed 5, it can be paused. Look, there fan will be stopped. Then I pressed 4 again, it can be resumed. Okay, the 10 second has been done. The LCD display has given output as cooking time is up. Next, go to the grill option. Okay, grill option, it has to be set the time. Okay, set the time now. 1 second, 6. I want 6 seconds because it was lengthy process. Okay, the time will be started. The cooler will be running. I will be paused and resuming. Yeah, it is working. Okay, 6 seconds is been timed up. That's the LCD screen show that cooking time is up. Next, go to the convection mode. Okay. In convection mode, we have to set the temperature. According to oven, we set only 250 degrees Celsius. Okay, I will check 500 degree. It shows invalid temperature. Let's give it as 100 degree. 1 0 0. Yeah, I am pressing enter now. It's take 50 seconds for heating up the oven. Let's wait. It it process can be fast by giving the more power to the oven. That's make process very fastly. We can stop and start the process at any time. Let's wait. I will doing one of the examples. Wait, I will be stop the process now. Where is my wait. Here it is. The process will be end in few seconds. Please wait. Yeah, process will be ended. The entire oven is be stopped. We can use same regex file to run another process, like this process will be ended, the new process will be started. Okay. Yeah, same. I want to show you. Yeah, see, the oven has been displayed as power on. The again four options will be showing here. I am showing starting and stopping the process. We can terminate this process by pressing the sixth button. When you press the starting, the cooler will be starts rotating, and here we can see the demonstration of cooler will be blue color. Thank you MRTech for giving wonderful opportunity. We have learned lot of things about embedded system and C program also. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Once again, thank you all.